A person's greatness is shaped by their thoughts. But most people never succeed because they never see their own potential. At a busy railway station, a beggar spent every day asking strangers for coins. One morning, he approached a rich businessman. Confident suit, sharp eyes, success written all over him. But instead of giving money, the businessman asked, "Do you only take? Have you ever given anything to anyone?" The beggar froze. No one had ever spoken to him like that. He whispered, "Sir, I have nothing to give." The businessman replied gently, "If you believe you have nothing to give, then you also have nothing to receive." And he walked away. Those words shook the beggar's soul. That night he couldn't sleep. What do I have to give? What can someone like me offer? Then he saw a small patch of wildflowers near the railway tracks. A simple idea lit up his mind. The next day, whenever someone gave him a coin, he offered a flower in return. And something magical happened. People smiled, people appreciated him, and people gave more. Days passed, and the same businessman returned. The beggar ran to him and said, "Sir, today I have something to give you." The businessman took the flowers and smiled. "Now you're not a beggar, you're a businessman." Those words changed everything. 6 months later, at the same station, two well-dressed men shook hands. One of them was the former beggar, now running a successful flower business. He said, "You taught me the greatest truth. We only receive when we believe we have something to give." Life changes the moment you change how you see yourself. If you think small, you stay small. But if you recognize your inner potential, you become unstoppable.